Hey, thanks for joining me again. This is DAF'D. Thanksgiving just happened, so I thought I'd do a little tribute drawing to the outgoing administration. Once again, the pens I am using are going to be the Staedtler Fine liners. I'd done this little pencil drawing as a joke, and it turned out kind of well, so I thought I'd actually finish her up and submit it. This outgoing administration's got a lot of haters, and I am one of them. Despite the fact that a lot of people think I'm far right, I like to think myself as an equal opportunity offender. But this one's just beyond the pale. Michael Flynn has to be pardoned, and it's just a sign of things to come. I think it's the whole Trump family's gonna be pardoned, even though they're a bunch of criminals. Everybody knows it, and I think deep down the supporters know it, and that's what they enjoy most about them. But enough about politics. Thanksgiving. Came across a picture of turkey as a reference, and I really kind of fell in love with the whole patterns of the feathers. They reminded me of snake skin. So I wanted to jump into that and sort of give myself a little bit of a challenge. I mean, sometimes the weekly cartoons are a bit light on detail just because of time constraints and other commitments. Give him a nice fat turkey neck. Then I decided, you know what, let's just make it like a couple of balls on his throat. Give him some big fat ears. Kind of got lost in the ear there a little bit, but what can I say, dyslexia. Dyslexia is a bitch. I actually do these cartoons. A lot of people wonder why I do them. I think they just end up on my Instagram, and they do. You can check us out at DAF'D.official. Come hang out, subscribe to this video as well, subscribe to this channel, like it, whatever you guys do. You kids are always onto something new, but maybe this will be a ongoing thing, hopefully. But nonetheless, I draw for a website called onmarcus.com, and it is a page, or actually a strip called The Age of Regression. The owner of that site was doing the strip on his own, and then handed it off. I guess he had prior commitments, took up too much of his time, so I took it over, and it's great. It's free reign. I can do whatever I want as long as it pretty much goes after the left, primarily, but as you can see, in certain cases, the right does some pretty ridiculous things, and you can't really take a stand in that. You just do right-wing stuff. I mean, it's just not possible. So here we go. Feathers are kind of like snake skin. It's a lot of fun, and I believe I run out of space on my camera. Right now I'm just doing it on my iPhone. Got a nice little stand for it, but other than that, no real setup. As you can tell, they're pretty ramshackle productions. Anyway, just thanks for joining us, and I hope you stick around for the next ones. I hope you are doing well out there, wherever you are. Drop a comment below. I'd always like to hear from people, see where you come from, see if you agree or disagree. More than anything, the great thing about these cartoons is that you can actually create discussion, and that's the most important part. Have a good one, guys.